Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to connect Flodesk to Squarespace. We have the link to Flodesk in the description below so you can get a head start right after this video. In order to connect Flodesk to your workspace, you need to head over to your dashboard by logging in, and then at the top right corner click on your profile icon, which is a drop down, and then you want to go over to integrations. Click on integrations and you'll be taken to the integrations page. There are lots of apps right here, so you want to scroll down to look for Squarespace. Right there you can see Squarespace. Add Squarespace customers to your Flodesk list and trigger purchase follow-up workflows. So go ahead and simply click on connect, and here you can see the Squarespace prompt. Well, all you need to do here is to put in your email address and password which you use for your Squarespace, and once you log in, you'd be authorizing the integration to connect Flodesk to Workspace. Don't forget that we have the link to Flodesk in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. We hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.